Professor Dr. S. Ramesh Babu. I am a retired metallurgical scientist. As most of my media friends would be aware of, as a hobby I have been setting a lot of world records. So far I have 81 world records and 9 national records in highly varied fields. That includes 4 world records which I have set in the area of cooking. I am very happy to announce today that very recently I have made a world record claim for yet another record in the area of cooking. Actually what happened, I spent about 10 days to author a cooking book in Kannada all about pure vegetarian South Indian cooking that I wrote in Kannada. This I released on 6th May 2020. The book consisted of about 69 pages, description of about 182 various South Indian dishes. That includes main dishes, side dishes, sweets and many other things. As soon as I released this, this was very well received both in India and abroad, and I received a suggestion from abroad that maybe I should write this in English so that it reaches far more number of people in the world. So this was 6th May when I released the soft copy. I immediately sat down and spent about 10 days, and then on 26th May I came up with my first edition of the English book on South Indian pure vegetarian cooking. I have called it as Ambammana Kairuchi, which literally translates to the signature taste of Ambamma's preparations cooking. The 68 pages of Kannada version got expanded to 129 pages of the English version, where I gave a vivid description of all the dishes, nearly about 182 dishes. Now, very recently, I have come up with the second edition of the English cooking book, which consists of 331 pages of written book, with a speciality of the inclusion of 194 pages of the detailed sequential photographs of the cooking procedures involved in the cooking. 3 volumes that you see here is the consolidation of my cooking book in English, edition 2, entitled Ambammana Kairuchi. I will explain few features of this cooking book, for which I am making a world record claim. The book consists of 331 pages in all, and I have described here in a very scientific way, very systematically, methodically. I have described as if it's a scientific experiment that I am describing to the world. This is very different from the type of descriptions that you find in the normal. This has got 192 pages, and out of the 331 pages, 194 pages are exclusively dedicated for the very special feature of this book, namely the sequential photographing of the cooking procedures followed for preparing each of the dishes. No other book in the world in any other language, as per the thorough Google search that I have carried out, has published a cooking book with such exhaustive collection of sequential photographing of the cooking procedures. I have here a total of 1250 photographs describing the sequential photographing procedures of 192 dishes. All the dishes that I have described in the book have the corroborative visual support provided through the sequential photographs. The world record claim is exclusively for this, the unique cooking book which has featured the sequential photographing of all the dishes. 1250 is a very big number, and all are of very high quality edited photographs included in this. I just want to give you a quick idea about what are all the dishes that I have described. As I said earlier, this is typically South Indian pure vegetarian cooking procedure as per the Mysore style. and I have made here categories, as you can see here. The liquid dishes generally eaten with rice, which includes a lot of traditional dishes like huli and saru, majige huli, kaisid majige huli, kutu, melogra, raswangi, padulkai kutu, gujju, etc. And then we have the ground side dishes like sagu, kurma, hirakai bhaji, chutneys and so on. And then we have varieties of rice preparations including varal chitrana, mavankai chitrana, nimbe hannin chitrana, vegetable palav, wangi bath, bisibele bath, and green peas rice, fried rice and so on. Then we have the description of all the masala powders required for cooking: mensin pudi, wangi bath pudi, karbevin pudi, menthiyada hittu, huli pudi, uppinkai pudi, etc. Also oil fried side dishes. Then we have the fried crunchy snacks: kodbale, chakli, muchore, tengolu, karadavlakki, chow chow, etc. And then we have some steam cooked dishes like steam cooked or deep oil fried, like bonda, Bombay bonda, pakoda, ambode, uddin vade, khair vade, nuchin vade, etc. And then we have the exclusive breakfast dishes, more than 30, including dosa, idli, avlakki, vada, puri, batura, naan, chapati, uppittu, avlakki, very many varieties, including ragi hurittu. And then we have some side dishes with no or minimal cooking, like lot of kosamris and mosak bhajis and so on. And then we have side dishes: tomato sauce, kalin palya, gugri, North Indian type chana, tawe, etc. And then we have about 50 typical sweet dishes, including jamunu, obbattu, varieties of barfis, unde, paisa, pongal, sweet pongal, and so on. Then we have very homemade healthy drinks like milkshakes and sharbat and kashaya and so on, and some miscellaneous dishes catering to the needs of the modern people: sandwiches and varieties of pizza, bel puri, and jams and so on. So this essentially is the content of the book. That I have entitled my cooking book as Ambammana Kai Ruchi, in fond memory of my mother, Ambamma. This was a typical photograph of my mother, captured almost about 50 years back. Ambamma was the name of my mother. She lived between 7th October 1920 to 21st April 2002. She was a great cook. She was a very well recognized and most admired. She had learned the basics of cooking, particularly the Mysore style pure vegetarian South Indian cooking, from her mother-in-law, who had very fondly taught her daughter-in-law. She is Akannamma, who had taught this. My father was a great connoisseur of food. The basics of cooking she learned from my father. When she married him, she did not know cooking, so she learned from him, and he was a very strict disciplinarian and such a big connoisseur of food. He would take objection to any small mistakes done in the cooking. So my mother became perfect in her techniques of cooking because of my father, and she specialized. I call her as a cooking scientist. In fact, I personally feel she deserved a PhD degree in cooking. She was such a fine. This book is inspired by my mother. I have therefore dedicated this world record to my mother. This is a photograph taken when I was a very young kid. My mother is holding me. This is a 63-year-old photograph. I have prepared only the soft copy of this book, not the hard copy, because I believe this is the quickest way of communicating to the world. I am very happy to inform that within just 2-3 weeks after releasing the soft copy, number of copies have been purchased both in India and abroad, have been very well encouraged, and still many more copies may be purchased. certain comments about appreciative comments by a number of people both in India and abroad, and these are all the WhatsApp messages that I have received. As you can see here, almost all the people who have seen this, come to know about it and read it, purchased, they have all sent it, and I'm very encouraged by this. That is why I quickly wrote the Kannada version to English version 1 to English version 2. Some have even given very detailed description. I must tell that I have 4 world records in the area of cooking. I would like to just draw your attention to the 4 world records. I set my world record number 13 by cutting one single cucumber into 1,20,060 pieces. Which has been recognized and published in by the Unique World Records, Assist World Records Research Foundation, Limca Book of Records, and so on. Another record was world record number 21. I made the fastest puris ever made. I made 132 puris in just 1 hour, starting from preparing the dough and balling and rolling and individually frying and so on. That has also been recognized and published in the books of records. Then I have the world record number 48, where I made fastest sandwiches in 1 hour. I made a staggering 408 sandwiches, vegetable sandwiches, in just 1 hour's time without anybody's assistance. This has also been recognized. And very recently, I also set my world record number 64, the fastest banana slicing. Remarkably, I cut manually 12 bananas into 350 pieces at a whopping speed of nearly about 6 pieces per second. So these are the 4 world records. Now with this, the total number of world records in the area of cooking is 5. I already have 81 world records, as I said. With this, it will be the 82nd world record. I also have 9 national records in various areas. So my total tally of records will be 91, only 9 short of reaching the century mark, which I am eagerly looking forward to achieve in the near days to come.